while we discuss about the food forest, fence also has an important role into that, right? I would always say fence is a one layer in the food forest. So we can design our fence in a different ways. Instead of spending a lot of money for keeping the chain link, barbed wire, etc., we can also think of different natural way of doing this fence. You can just see this way. This is a species in bamboo is called Bambusa bamboo. Bambusa bamboo has lot of thorns. Once it's grown, people can't even go too near to that. So you have to limit the growth of this bamboo. We have lot of options to even limit to new shoots comes to your property. But the same time, once it's grown, it will act as a good visual barrier as well. It will act as a very secure way of doing a fence for your property. So like that, many topics we can discuss in our food forest course with Farmizon. So you can sign up with Farmizon Academy to know more about it. Thank you.